So, ladies and gentlemen, unicorn hot chocolate. Many of you don't believe in unicorns. You need to grow up, okay? Because they are real. So we start off with some, what's that, pink icing? And then some sprinkles to get that nice unicorn color. We pour in some hot milk. Then we come behind with white hot chocolate, okay? We spoon it in, that's right. Beautiful. Get that in there. Give it a little stir. Stir, stir, stir. And then we come behind with some whipped cream vodka. This is Tipsy Bartender. We gotta spike everything. Okay? Then some white chocolate liqueur. Now we come with some red food color. We just give it a drop because with all that white, it can only turn pink. Somehow was kind of weird. Okay, then we get some Lucky Charms marshmallows and we stick it in, okay? Perfect. That real unicorn look. I feel right at home with that. All right, stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.